upset. I woke up to fine from Dubai police. This is going to be like my second fine since I've been driving in Dubai. The first time I had a fine was for speeding. Then they billed me is it 600 dirhams? 600 dirhams. If you calculate 600 dirhams, 600 times 158, that is how much I'm supposed to pay for that one. I haven't paid that one yet. If you don't pay immediately, they don't actually do anything. It's when it's time for you to do certain things that concerns your car. That is when you'll be in trouble. Like for example, when it's time for you to sell your car, or it's time for you to change ownership, something like that, that is when you're going to be in trouble if you don't pay for the fine. Probably when I'm going out this week, I'll just branch in one of their offices and just clear my gbese, because I don't want it to keep on piling till, you know. I want to go and get groceries this morning. I don't have anything in the house anymore, and I want to cook. I also want to film a video what I eat in a day. The video should be out by now. If you haven't seen it, please go see it. Okay, so basically, please can you please just let me go? just allow me to talk. Basically, I want to go grocery shopping now. I already have my list. I spent like 30 minutes accumulating everything I wanted to get, so I already have my list here. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Yeah. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it.
Hi guys, so I just got home. I'm in my kitchen. I'm trying to sort out everything that I got from the store. Please ignore this noise on my head. Just free it, okay? Basically everything that I got here is what I used to cook in my last video. Pepper mix, we have the green, the red, the yellow. I got carrots, then we have ginger. This one I like this one, like this is penny pasta. Got avocados. I just started using mushrooms to cook and I have been loving it. I love the way it tastes. I feel like I'm not the only one who enjoys eating eggs. I can eat like 3 to 4 eggs in one day. I use this lemon to cook sometimes. sometimes like when I want to make salmon, I use this lemon. And also when I want to make what do you call it, lamb chops or steak, I also make use of lemon. Just like sprinkle it on top of it and all. It gives the food a different taste. Then I also use it to make my tea. Yeah, I always take like lemon, honey, and some other stuff, ginger and some other stuff in the morning. So I always use this lemon a lot. This is the fresh coconut water. I love the way it tastes. It is just God, I love this coconut water a lot. So
talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers. Oh, the shrimp and lobster time, but it's me that gets devoured. Ooh, when you do what you do, I'm empowered. You give me a superpower. Together the world could be ours. Used to see it on the counter. Instantly a thunder shower. Storming for a couple hours. Take a shower. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this.
Today's Thursday, 17th of March. I want to go and see a movie. I want to go and see Batman. I've been hearing so many crazy hype, and honestly I'm not a DC girl. Like personally, I don't like DC movies, I don't like DC cartoons, anything DC. I'm more of a Marvel girl. Okay, everything Marvel. I love Marvel. Like I'm a die-hard Marvel fan. Like if they release a new Marvel movie today, I am inside the cinema the next day just trying to see it. But everybody has been about this Batman movie, and it's 3 hours. Who watches something for 3 hours when it's not a series or something? It's a movie. But I just feel like it will help me unwind and all of that today. Just relax today and all. Why did I even come in front of the camera? Oh yeah, I wanted to tell you guys. Guys, your girl is officially bald. Okay, your girl has no hair on her head. And before you start saying, Yoma, what is this again? Like, why this again? What is wrong with you? Are you mourning somebody? What's going on? I'm going to insert the picture on the screen because I'm not about to remove my frontal that I spent 44 hours installing, so just to show you guys my head. But I have some pictures of when, or the particular night I shaved my head bald. I have some pictures and I'm gonna insert it, guys. It's actually not my fault. I didn't plan on doing it. Okay, my scalp just was constantly itching me. Like every single time I was always scratching and scratching and scratching and scratching. It was terrible. I don't know why it was happening. I don't know what was going on, but all of a sudden I just woke up. I couldn't take it anymore, so I ordered blade. I ordered, what they call that thing that men use to cut their hair. Barber shop used to cut their hair. I ordered it from Amazon and I cut everything. Like I cut everything. I didn't even care the level it was at. I just I shaved everything like about 100% bald. Okay, I'm gonna put the picture now. Stop laughing, please. Guys. And the funniest thing is that when I cut everything, I saw like white patches all over my head, and I realized that I actually did because it has gone. I've done everything I needed to do for it and it has disappeared. I actually did have a scalp condition that caused my scalp to constantly be itching me, so I had to be scratching it every time. So assuming I didn't shave my head, I wouldn't have even known. Just be, you know, scratching my head every single time. But anyhow, so I got some things. So they gave me some things to put on it to treat it. It's not even a big problem like that. It's not like a major problem like that, like, you know, like crazy scalp conditions that people do have. It's nothing like that. But I treated it and it has gone 100%. It's not there anymore. My head does not itch me anymore. I'm okay. All right. But anyways, I'm not even mad because I just feel like it's an opportunity for me to grow my head I said head. It's an opportunity for me to grow my hair all over again, guys. I've had issues with hair growth over the past. I've had issues with front hair, so many things, Sha, that when it comes to hair, like, I've had issues. I just feel like it's like a fresh start for me to start all over again, use the right products, use the right things for my hair. You know, this time around I want to take my hair growth more seriously. I'm not going to use relaxer this time around. I'm just going to do the whole natural hair thing. I'm just going to take my hair growth like more seriously. So I've gotten all the products I need, and they also gave me products for it so that it won't come all over again. So that's just it, chat. It's not like I said I want to go and shave my head or something. It just happened. All right, it just happened. Secondly, it is not a look, so don't expect me to rock it anytime. I'm not going to be rocking my bald head. I won't. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with rocking a bald look or whatsoever. I feel like the girls that do it, they are beautiful, they are bold, they are confident. Kudos to them. But me, honestly, I don't see myself doing that. So it's not a look or anything. So because it's not a look, don't expect to see it on a vlog or anything. I'll always be wearing, if I'm not wearing wig to talk to you guys, I will be wearing bonnet till my hair grows. All right, it is not a look or anything. It just happened, and now I'm growing the hair all over again. When I did that Q&A, I actually got asked update on my hair, because you guys knew when I cut my hair, like last year you guys knew when I cut my hair. So people were asking me, can we see your hair now? I was just laughing my mouth. These people don't know that this person is now bald though. They're asking for hair updates. That's it. I want to start going so that I won't get late. Just wanted to update you guys so that if you guys should accidentally catch me without no wig or any bonus, you'll be surprised, like, what happened to your head and all, you know.
I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing.
Hi, hey guys. Friday, 25th March. Okay, the date is out of the way. Sometimes I always forget to say the date, guys. I'm so tired. I'm actually very, very hungry. I haven't eaten since morning. I have been so busy. I think I want to bring this thing down, but I did my makeup. See, your girl is now good. Forget it though. Nobody can even tell me anything. Look at this. Flawless. Flawless. Can you guys see this? I just finished filming a review video for my perfume line. I feel like it's very, very important I put out a video. I did it for Passion and Seduction, so I just felt like I needed to do it for Goddess, because people actually watch videos like that. They want to know the notes, just want to see and hear people talk about the fragrance. So I just felt like, let me do one, and I did that today. I set up everything by myself. Do you guys see my backdrop? I showed you guys in the beginning. I set up everything. Like, you won't even believe that I'm inside the house. Like, if you go and watch that video, alright, the video is not yet out, so the video will come out on the 4th. When you watch that video, it is so clear. You guys won't even believe that I did everything in my house. I opened this iMac and I saw a video that never made it to my YouTube. This video, I was editing it, and for some reason it never made it to YouTube. You guys have never seen these clips before. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see, but you guys never ever saw these clips. I wonder why I didn't upload it at the end of the day. Yeah. I don't know. I just decided not to upload it. I don't know what happened with that video, but I was like, let me not upload it, Jerry. But anyways, yeah, that's it. Hey guys, I'm so tired. I just got back from the gym. If you miss like 1 week or 2 weeks, it always feels like you didn't go to the gym for a whole year. because I don't understand this pain. I am so like my whole body is paining me. Today I was struggling. My trainer was even saying, he was so surprised. He was like, what is going on? I was struggling because I've not been to the gym in like 2 weeks because I've been so busy with work and launching and all of that, photo shoots, blah blah blah. So I just didn't have time to go to the gym, knowing fully well that when I come back from the gym I always get extremely tired and not really weak. I get stronger when I come back from the gym, but I get tired and I won't want to do anything, or I won't have like I won't have strength to want to do anything concerning work or so. So I just decided that okay, 2 weeks I won't go till I'm done with everything. So I resumed today again, and when I resumed, it felt like hell. I was like, I don't want to go tomorrow because before I used to work out like almost every day. So I was like, I don't want to go tomorrow, but I'm so exhausted. I just came in and I got a package. Rather, it's mine. It's my perfume. So I got this delivered for me. As you can see, it says Goddess Beguile by Omaa, 7 pieces. So basically, I've been trying to branch into the UAE. I think I've mentioned this in one of my videos. Like I'm planning, like I want to start selling here in Dubai, and honestly it will pay me more because Dubai currency is way different and way higher than Naira. So I feel like branching into the UAE would just be very good for my business. So I'm starting off small. So, and you know the craziest thing, God has been so good to me. God has been so faithful to me. I didn't even have to do like any sort of marketing or advertisement like that, and I already got like customers that were interested and all. Like a lot of people in the UAE, like they actually do want. So I just told them to just get me a few pieces from the factory, and let me just see how the markets would move here in Dubai. And that's what they did. And guys, I've already sold everything here. You see the whole 7 pieces, people have bought it, and I want to send them out today. And it's crazy because I don't even have my company's business, my company's paper box. It's not here in Dubai. Everything is in Nigeria. So I feel like I have to make new sets for people in the UAE. That's very crazy. So anyways, I want to pack these. I think I'm going to just put it inside a fancy paper bag, okay, because I can't just send it like this. Doesn't make sense. I have to represent my brand. I just feel like I am like the most blessed person in this world. Like God has been so faithful to me. God has been so faithful to my business and everything. It's crazy how I haven't even put out a video of me actually talking about my fragrance, because I'm supposed to put it out on Monday, which is the 4th of April. Like I haven't done any of all those things. I haven't even paid influencers to do reviews about it. Like I haven't done like anything that would get me customers. You guys get. And it's crazy how we've gotten a whole lot of orders on it. Like it's very crazy. It made me realize that people actually trust my brand. I mean, Passion and Seduction have done so well for me. Like it has opened doors for me to the point whereby I brought out a new fragrance and people didn't even wait to read about it. People didn't even wait to hear reviews. People didn't even wait to hear an influencer talk about it. People just rushed it. That is how crazy it is. That's the definition of trusting a brand. Like when you trust a brand, just know that their new releases is always going to be good. If you are waiting to hear about the perfumes before you purchase, just watch out for the video on Monday. I'll upload it on Monday so that you can finally make up your mind to finally get it. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
How much you messing with me? How much you messing with me? How much you messing with me?